Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show to you few simple electronic circuits that I learnt recently. For this circuit, we need 1.5 volt two batteries, 9 volt battery, on-off switch, push button switch, resistor, LED, buzzer, motor and small propeller, means a fan. So friends, we will see circuit 1 LED. We will connect the battery. This is negative, this is positive. This is positive. We will connect LED. Then I want to control it with the switch, so I will put the switch. How to connect this in actual components, we will see. So we will take a battery. We should connect positive terminal to the switch. Long terminal is positive. Short terminal is negative. Now we will connect this LED to the positive and negative. Now we connected negative to the LED and we connected positive to the switch and switch to the LED. Let us test it. So I am switching on the switch. Oh, it's glowing. See, it's glowing. Now we will move on to second circuit. Now we will see circuit 2 buzzer. We will connect battery. This is plus, this is minus. I will connect switch for this. This is buzzer. And we will connect to negative. Now we are connecting circuit 2 buzzer. If you take on-off switch, after you switch on, the buzzer keeps on ringing. So I am taking push button. Now we will connect battery to the switch. Then we will connect switch to the buzzer. Now we will connect battery to the buzzer. Now we connected as per the circuit. Oh, it's ringing. We are successful. We will see circuit 3 motor. We will connect battery. We will connect a switch. We will connect a motor and a propeller. Then we will connect minus to motor. Here in this circuit we use motor. Motor does not operate with 1.5 volt battery and it needs 9 volt battery, so I am taking 9 volt battery. Now we will connect battery to the switch. Now we should connect battery to the motor and switch to the motor. For motor, you can connect positive here or here and negative also here or here. It is optional. So we connected as per the circuit. Now we will put propeller to the motor. Propeller means fan. So we are testing. Oh, the fan is rotating. We will move on to the next circuit. We learned 3 circuits before. This is the combined circuit of all buzzer, LED So this is called home supply system. The motor has fan, LED as a light, buzzer as a bell. So we connect an 9-volt battery here. So why? Because it is needed for motor. Only the change is we connected a resistor for LED, because we will connect 9-volt battery directly to the LED, then the light LED will fade. So we should connect resistor for 9-volt battery. Now we will see how to connect this circuit with actual components.
If you clearly observe, this is having 3 parallel circuits across the battery. So we'll connect one by one now. First LED, followed by buzzer, followed by motor. Let us see now. So we connected the first part of the circuit, battery to LED, resistor with a switch to negative terminal of the battery. So now we have finished the second part of the circuit. So from this switch terminal to push button, which is connected to buzzer and which is connected across the battery. Now from this point we will connect the third circuit. Now we finish the third part of the circuit, that is the parallel connection across the battery. So the switch to the motor and back to the battery. So now we have connected 3 parallel circuits. We will test this. So we'll start with testing LED. See, so LED is tested. Next we will test the buzzer. See, now we will test the motor. So all 3 are connected. So this is something like a fan, calling bell and the home light. So this is like a home supply system. So this way, these simple basic circuits we have tried to demonstrate through this video. Hope this has helped you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.